This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cupcakes without a traditional mold. First, gather your essential ingredients, including 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of softened butter. Next, prepare your baking sheets by lining them with parchment paper. Finally, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius, to ensure it's ready for baking. Now, let's create our individual cupcake shapes. You can use standard paper cupcake liners, or if you prefer, craft small cups from aluminum foil. Simply fold the foil into a cup shape, about 2 inches in diameter. Place these individual cups directly onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Carefully fill each cup approximately 2/3 full with your delicious cupcake batter, leaving room for them to rise beautifully. It's time to bake your wonderful creations. Carefully place your baking sheet into the preheated oven. Bake the cupcakes for approximately 18 to 22 minutes. To check for doneness, gently insert a toothpick into the center of a cupcake. It should come out clean. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely on a wire rack for at least 30 minutes before moving on. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Prepare your favorite frosting. A simple buttercream works wonderfully. You can pipe the frosting using a pastry bag or simply spread it with a knife onto each cooled cupcake. For an extra festive touch, add colorful sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or any other decorations you desire. Now, your homemade cupcakes, made without a mold, are ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.